The 2015 Kia Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth, flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, airbags, automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, Bluetooth, cruise control, passenger airbag, fog lamps, remote power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.